Hello, how are you? Welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain why Canary Islands are actually the best place to be in Spain. Canary Island could be really far away from Spain, but it's actually part of Spain and it's so beautiful. So come with me and let's take a look together to its mountains, beaches, and caves makes this place an idyllic place to visit if you're around Spain. As you can see, mountains are actually so good. We have Teide, which is actually one of the most and biggest and highest mountain in the world. Also, you might know that Canary Island has also five islands, and the caves are terrific, as you can see too. You might want to choose whichever one you want to visit first, but to me Lanzarote is so good. While Lanzarote is one of the best and beautiful islands of the world, also they had another one named Fuerteventura. One of the greatest things that these islands have are the degrees. The degrees normally are between 20 and 26 degrees all year. That means that while everybody on the peninsula are having colds, you can go to the beach to take a nap. Also, Canary Islands has the best food ever and typical dances and costumes, and really kind. I don't know if it's because they live permanently in beaches, I don't know. Local dances are actually one of the most important things that they have to hold every single year. Those dances are actually really close to La Jota, which is actually from La Mancha in Spain, in the peninsula. In conclusion, Canary Island is actually one of the paradises the entire world has. So please don't miss this opportunity, or if you have an opportunity to go, because it's actually one of the best places ever. So go get your wallet and go to buy some tickets, flight tickets, to go there as soon as you can. Maybe tomorrow.